Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just unboxed a huge pallet. Not very many items, a lot of big items. Let me tell you what I'm gonna make. All right, let me remind you the specs of this particular pallet. This is a bulk.com pallet of uninspected returns, which is exactly what it sounds like. They're totally uninspected. Tools, baby essentials, crock pots, and what I found out later was lots and lots and lots of air mattresses. 35 items. It retailed for $25.23. My cost, because this is one of the pallets I went down to the bulk warehouse and picked up, so you can see a lot of my behind the scenes footage of their warehouse. I paid $328, and then with the cost of renting my truck and gas and all of that, $76 is what I paid in shipping for my cost of $404, which made it $11.54 per item. If you would have bought this, it would have been $328, exactly what I paid, but $200 to ship a pallet to your house. But that's the convenience of having it shipped to your front door. $528, so $15 per item. What I think I can make is $756 total when I take off my $404 that I paid. I think this pallet I'm going to make roughly, conservatively, $352. Now let me show you a few of the little things. I do have a mystery box down here that I'm going to open at the end of this video. I had you guys guess on the first video, so let's see who's right. And I'm going to be really excited if you got it right. So, but I got a lot of air beds in this one. All of them have been opened, but I'm going to check and make sure that they're still sealed and packaged. These are actually going for this one, that one, and this one are all going for $100 online, brand new. And then this one is going for $150 as well as this one. And so what I'm going to do, because I don't want to send them into Amazon. They weigh a lot. They're going to cost a lot because they're a lot bigger. Plus, they've been opened, and I won't get the buy box simply because I'm going to list them as used like new. I'm going to sell them untested on hookedonpickin.com. What I'm going to do is probably sell these ones for about $30, and then you pay shipping. So roughly less than 50 bucks is probably what you're going to pay to buy these. But just so you know, if you buy them from me and they totally deflate, then you just send me a picture or a video, and your money will be refunded to you. I'm not going to sell you something bunk, but I'm definitely not even going to list it if I think that there's anything wrong with it right away. So almost everything that I will list will be probably in working condition. So, and the reason why I'm not sending these to Amazon is because of the condition of the boxes. And then this one for $150, it's going to be definitely a huge price cut, as well as this one. And a lot of these other items, I got a humidifier, a laundry basket, this really nostalgic popcorn maker came in this. I actually got a Cars bike, which is brand new, so that one will probably be sent into Amazon. I got a car seat. This will be on my website because I'm restricted in selling Graco brand, as well as a pack and play I got from another another pallet. And then I think this one is actually going to go, if I can sell this brand, I don't know yet, to Amazon as well. And then I've got like a framer kit and stuff. So anyway, you guys want to see what's in this box? I do. So it's really lightweight. The last box that came out as a mystery box in the first video, if you haven't checked it, I'll tag it at the end of this, had a whole poker set, which was really kind of fun to look at. But let's check this one out and see what's in it. It doesn't weigh very much. And so it makes me very curious what is in this huge box that doesn't weigh a lot. So try not to cut whatever's in it.
High value.
It does. Yeah, here, look. Right there on the side. High value. That's written in high value marker, I'm sure, too, with high value handwriting. All right, what's in here? Oh, it's a lamp. Let's take a good look at it. It's a really pretty lamp. Look at that. I don't want to take it out anymore because with my clumsy hands, I'll break it. But it looks kind of like a teardrop, almost like our water droplet, but it's a blue ceramic water droplet. Comes with the lampshade. It looks like it's in brand new condition with all the fixtures.
Do you know the brand?
I don't see. Let's see. See what brand it is. I do not see a brand. I don't know what the brand is, but it's really, really pretty. So that is what is in the mystery box. So it actually was something that could possibly be high value. So I'm going to very carefully put this back together after we're off camera because I don't want to rush and do it right now, but it's all going to get packaged very safely back together. But that's a gorgeous, gorgeous lamp. I love it. If I had a place in my house to keep it and don't already have too many things, I'd probably keep it myself. But that will definitely be for sale. I'm going to see if I can send it to Amazon. If not, check it out on hookedonpickin.com. That's where it will be listed if I don't send it into Amazon. So if you're interested in any of these items, go ahead and check it out. Check out my hookedonpickin.com page because most likely a lot of these things are going to be listed there. So it wasn't in as good a condition as I would have liked as far as the box condition, but it looks like all the items are in great condition. And so I'm hoping conservatively to make $352, but I may be surprised to make a little more. So if you want an air mattress, go ahead and check those out at hookedonpickin.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.